Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Make sure the TV has Chromecast built in or a plugged dongle and is powered. Once done, confirm your phone is on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery. Then open the Google Home app, sign in, and tap the plus icon to add a device. The app will scan and look for nearby cast devices. Follow on-screen prompts to select your TV so the app can initiate pairing and display a setup code. Once the app finds your TV, select it and compare the setup code shown on the TV to the code in the app. This prevents accidental pairing. After you confirm, assign a room and a clear name so voice commands target the right display. Make sure you grant any requested permissions for location and local network access so casting works reliably. Finally, link streaming accounts if prompted, and let the device check for firmware updates to ensure compatibility and smoother casting. Now test by casting from YouTube or Netflix, or use a voice command like, "Hey Google, play Stranger Things on living room TV." If you have multiple screens, open the device settings in Google Home and set this TV as the default for that room. If casting fails, try the usual fixes. Restart your router, phone, and the TV. Make sure both devices are on the same network. If nothing works, factory reset the Chromecast and repeat setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.